Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get the latest news as it breaks. Breaking news, yes, and events happens totally, generally all around the world. So all you need to do is press the subscribe button to get notification each time we post. Okay.
Good to have you today. It's rare to have someone like you at the State House at this time. We know something very important must have brought to you. May we have an idea of what has transpired in the engagements with the President?
No, I think what has come to the President is before Mr. President, but we were, the private sector is encouraged with the bold decisions President Bola Tinubu has taken, and we hope that in the fullness of time, Nigerians will benefit from it, because it's all about Nigerian people, it's all about youth, it's all about making sure our women are involved and empowered, it's all about making sure our youth get jobs, and I think Mr. President has this at the back of his mind, and I believe, as a private sector person, that the actions and decisions the President is taking now, in the long run, will help our people.
What specific area?
Of our people, but a bit of patience, you know. Rome was not built in a day, one day like